Okay, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Friday, May 20th, 2016, and we are at 215 Southeast 136th Avenue in Portland. And we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line, and as you can see, we're outside of the home. We're actually on the front corner of the house. This is the garage right here, right off the driveway is a clean out. It's a 3-inch ABS plastic line. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get this pointed in the right direction. Pause that. Alright, so we're in the clean out, or rather we're past the clean out in the main line. We're going to zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen, and we're also going to make a note that we transition immediately to 3034 PVC. Alright, let's go ahead and continue with our inspection. A couple of things to note about today's inspection. This home was built in 1995, but we are in an older neighborhood of Portland. We're on a flag lot, so that means a couple of things for us. One, this is going to be a relatively long run. I'm going to guess a little bit, maybe about 100 feet or so. And two, we are inside of a modern material. This is PVC, basically the same material that we use today to build homes, even though this home was built in 95. And the other thing is, on longer runs such as this, we're going to keep an eye out for any sort of bellies or sags in the line. And that's why we have water running, which you can see right now on the right hand side of the screen, the floor of the pipe, upper right hand corner of our screen. You see that water running, and that gives me a visual indication or a clue as to the slope of the pipe. You can also see the water line, which is basically the high water mark on the lower right hand corner of the screen and the very top center of the screen. That's the high water mark, and so that gives us another indication as to the slope of the pipe. So far here at just past 66 feet, looks good. Oftentimes we find these lines do have bellies in them because it is such a long distance for them to travel. So far we're looking okay. .3034 is a material that we find typically used underneath rights-of-way or areas where there's more of a chance for traffic or movement in the soil to make a difference in the compaction or the settlement of the soil. A little bit of standing water here as we pass through about 100 feet or so. I wouldn't say that's anything to be concerned with. A little bit more standing water here. A little bit is okay. And then we take a steep dive down. And what are we looking at here? We are looking at the city main. I'm just trying to decipher what the screen is showing me. Clean this lens off real quick. Alright, I think we're good. Okay, so at 118, almost 119 feet, we do make connection with the main. There we are. And the good news is, because I haven't seen anything that concerns me along our trip to the main, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video now. I'm not going to recommend any further action, as it would appear the sewer line is functioning very well. Thank you.